Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. First we will solve the question. Construct an ellipse when the distance between the focus and directrix is 30 mm and the eccentricity is 3 by 4. So the given value is, first the distance between the focus and directrix is 30 mm and the eccentricity value is 3 by 4. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 20, it gives 60 by 80. 60 represents y-axis and 80 represents the x-axis. So draw a straight line and mark it as D and D dash. From the midpoint of the straight line, draw another line and mark it as C and A. From C, draw 3 cm and mark it as F1. And in eccentricity, x-axis represent 80. So from central axis, draw another 8 cm and mark it as F2. From F2, draw 60, which means 6 cm. And join the intersection point from C. From C, draw a slanting line. Place the protector in F1 and mark 45° on both sides. Draw 45° line on both sides from F1 to the slanting line. From the intersection point, mark B1 and B2. From V1, draw 14 lines, each separated by the distance of 1 cm. Mark these points as P1, P2 and so on. And from here, Q1, Q2 and so on. Then measure the distance between V1 and F1, place the compass in F1 and cut an arc at V1. Measure the distance between P3 and Q3 and place the compass at F1 and cut an arc above and below the center axis on the respective lines. Do this up to Q9 and P9, then at last measure the distance between P10 and Q10. As usual, place the compass at F1, then cut an arc that the ellipse is closed like this. Join all the arcs at the intersection points of these lines and arcs. Arcs as 1, 2, 3 and so on. To draw tangent, join this point to F1. To draw the perpendicular line, take protector and place it at F1. Then mark 90° and draw the 90° line up to directrix from F1. Place the protector at this tangent line and again mark 90°. Then draw the line. And mark it as N and N dash.